Hello, so I'm gonna be doing a small review of the matte top coat by Ellen Blue. They currently have an offer of buy three at 200 rupees on their official website, and it's a steal deal because they've got great collection of colors and the quality is top notch. So I have a matte top coat from Nykaa, but I really don't like it because it's 249 and it does not mattify the nail polish as much as you expect it to. So I wanted to try this one. This is named white water top coat, and the formula is pretty thin and smooth. I love the brush size also, and I'm wearing the berry blue from Keith and Keen. It's a high shine polish. It really is high shine, and I have a glossy top coat on top, so I am applying the matte top coat on top of that. So let's see if it mattifies, if that's a word, this nail polish well. So I think we'll give it a 5 star then. Now let's compare the Nykaa matte top coat with this one to see if it's worth the money or not. The Ellen Blue one dried pretty fast, like as you can see in the video. The Nykaa one is pretty thick and it takes a lot more time to dry matte. And it's not even as matte as the Ellen Blue one, so I guess 249 and 65 rupees, you see where I'm going. Like, the middle finger is much matter than any of the other ones. I also wore it on black, like both of these, because I think black really shows how matte the nail polishes actually are. As you can see, the middle finger is not as matte as the other two. The other two are Ellen Blue and the middle one is Nykaa. I know you didn't expect it, me neither. 249 versus 65. So yeah, I think it's a steal deal, and the quality and everything is absolutely great. So I definitely recommend Ellen Blue. You should definitely go and check them out.